Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we're going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to New Caledonia. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, whenever it comes to apply tourist visa to any country or any kind of visa to any country, the very first thing we must check is that do we really need a visa? Because based on our nationality, duration, purpose, or even based on uh, any combination, we may or may not need a visa. Okay. So what I have done, I have opened this France visa website because it's a French overseas territory. So I'm just putting some sample like information you need to do as per your case, like nationality. I put age, I put married to a French national, do you join a tour with a family member from an EU country excluding France? Okay. Place of submission of application, visa type, short stay I select, main destination. This is very important. Your travel document, plans. I select tourism, main purpose of stay. I select tourism. So wait, I think I've passed the screen back. Yeah, we need a visa. Unless you are So they have given all the exceptions here. If you fall under these exceptions, you don't need, but otherwise, based on your nationality and other things you selected, you need a visa. Okay, now purpose I selected, plans I selected. Fee they have given 9 euros, about 8 to 6 Indian rupee. Of course, this can vary based on the location that you apply. And they have given more, they have also given the checklist. Okay, passport, union ID, photograph, purpose of travel, hotel reservation, travel itinerary, then proof of funds, proof of social professional status. You see, funds they have asked for ITR 5 acknowledgement. Again, as per the location, accommodation, health insurance, 30,000 euro. This is very important, guys. Never travel to other country without insurance. So I clicked on apply, submit online application. Then you come to this page. Here you need to log in. If you have not already created an account, you need to click on create an account. They send a link to your email address to verify and then you can log in. I have already done, so I'm going to log in and show you. So here you come after login. Here to click on create a new application. Again, you will see the similar wizard again. Nationality it is asking. So I select sample. You need to do as per your case. Again, that joining family member question asked, place of submission. Be very careful, guys, when you select these options because these determine a lot. Okay. Make sure to fill up as per your case and verify everything at least 2 times before submission. 2 times at least, not just once. Issuing authority, travel document number. I'm just putting sample. Date of issue. Check your passport very carefully when it has been issued and when it is expiring. Even minor mistakes you should avoid to be on the safe side. Why are you making this plan? So I select tourism. Main purpose tourism has come here again. I click on verify. Okay, again, I got the information. You need a visa. Okay, fine. All right, now the wizard begins. All the information is sample. You need to fill as per your case. I'm entering a single, but if you're married, definitely, as I said, last name, date of last name at birth, if different, obligatory first name. Enter your first name. Just sample, guys. Of course, I won't be submitting this. Date of birth, see the format. Make sure you meet the format and make sure it matches your passport. T4, okay. Place of birth, check your passport, what it is written there and enter exactly like that. Why do you have any confusion? Country or territory of birth, nationality, national identity number, put that whatever it is. Nationality at birth, if different, address, your address. I'm putting some sample, but you do properly. Postal code, of course, you know. City, country. Telephone number. Like I'm skipping it because it's not mandatory field, but why not enter? Email address is very important. Verify at least 2 times because communication will be sent on that. I'm just doing this for sample. Do you live in a country other than country nationality? I select no. Are you joining traveling with a fresh start? Same question they asked. Job. Hmm. Select whichever matches you. Sector, name of employer, employer address. Provide proper information, not like this. Postal code, city, country, telephone number. For this time, they have asked for telephone number as mandatory. But provide all the information. Why to add? If your email account, definitely provide that for your employer. And why wouldn't they? Okay, your information. Oh, country or territory of birth. That's what I missed. Don't miss it. Have you received a Schengen visa past 59 months, almost 5 years? I select no. Have your digital fingerprint previously been taken in connection with the previous application? I select no, but if yes, definitely provide that information. Your state arrival, when are you planning to arrive? I'm just putting sample, September 8, leaving, but of course the duration should match, right? September 29, yeah, 3 weeks. Plan duration stay number of days. Gender, number of entries one. In the coming year, I select 0. You need to do as per your case. Okay, this is just sample. Your plans of staying. I select tourism. Next. Contacts. Who will be accommodating you? If you are going for hotel, provide a name or an address of the hotel. Of course, if you have booked your hotel already, you have that information, right? Telephone number. Definitely on your booking receipt, you will find all that information. Who will be paying? How you will be paying? Of course, you need to provide that evidence. Okay, now you need to provide, continue and submit the application. Of course, I'll not do, but see your checklist is populated that we have seen before also, and they will also tell you about biometric and other things. And also they have written that on the day of appointment, please present yourself the passport and travel document. Okay, photocopy of this document and the last visas. I need a page, original photocopy of all documents. Okay, listed below. So they have given you the checklist, follow it, and then it will take it up from there. After go to the next section and pay the fee and other things. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.